beautiful thing about immigration law is that I can do it in all 50 states. So we do travel sometimes for client interviews. I love Boston, it's an amazing city. I'm just looking forward to meeting the client tomorrow. It's going to be a tough case, but I think we are pretty much ready. I'm excited to see a little bit of the city as well. So this is the morning of the interview in Boston. I'm about to get my cab and head to the USCIS office, meet my client, and it's going to be a tough interview, but I think I'm prepared, so let's see what happens.
Look for my client.